Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Emilia here, and I'm coming to you today with a new video for my white Christmas card. I already made a card, as you can see, but then I thought that maybe more people will like it. I really like it, so I decided that I'm going to do another twin card, a sister card, and will record a video for you. The card has a really cute hat. This is a crochet hat which I received from my friend Tammy, and actually it's a main element on my card. If you do not have anything like that, check online for a tutorial for tiny hats made out of strings, not crochet ones, but I will try to find the video and link it below my video. Anyway, let me show you what we will need to create that card. It's almost all white, and I will make another one very similar. So you need a card base. Mine is 10 by 20 centimeters, 2 layers of paper. The bottom one is creamy, like light beige color, and the white wood pattern on the top. And for that, let me just grab the papers. For my both layers I used Lemoncraft wood patterns papers. You've got very light wood patterns here. I don't have much left, and so there is wood pattern on one side and some lace patterns on the other side of the papers. Then I have a very pretty frame. This is from Rose Garden. It's called Rose Garden, and this is, I think it's Creative Crafter's Companion. I will link that below the video as well. Then I used a chipboard element from Bloomer Designs. I may use exactly the same, or I will use a different one today. We will see, because I'm still not sure if I will make exactly the same card or very similar one. Okay, then I have it's a cotton lace. I will use piece of that, any lace will do. I've got 2 more pieces of fabric. This is like a net fabric, it's just very small pieces. So I had my hat, some sentiment. This is a little sentiment from Hobbycraft. There were few in the pack. I've got some berries, snowflakes, and I also have one flower. I'm not sure if I will use it, I just have it just in case. So I think that will be it. Oh, what else? I also used I think only 2 pairs. These are from Prima Marketing, but any pairs would be great. And what else I can see on the card? Oh, I can see the ribbon and the twine. I will find it in the second, so it's on the side of my card. That's it, I guess. You will also need hot glue gun. Oh no, one more thing which you can see here. This is the bottom of my layer, and it's a piece of sweater. I know, that's funny. Well, I bought that in charity shop. It's got beautiful pattern on the sleeves and in the center. I paid only £1 for it. It's a really big one, too big for me, so I thought I can use it for my Christmas cards. And let's say I will start with cutting a little layer of that. I really like that that pattern here, so I will be using that. Oh, this scissors are not very good. Anyway, I'm glad you are here on my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you are here often, it's lovely to have you with me. Okay, you will also need a double-sided foam pads or beer mat. Let me just grab it. So for the second layer, I'm going to use this as a support. You can use double-sided foam pads or what else? Or cardboard. I will do that, and I also added a machine stitches to my second layer. So this will go through the whole card, not from edge to edge. I leave like half centimeter of the edge on each side. Okay, I think I can start now. Okay, this is what I've done so far. I'm just going to add some ribbon now with the string. I will just make a bow with those two together, and I will add some glitter and some snow paste to my card, and that will be it. I hope you like it. I do love it. It looks really, really nice, and especially that I love snow. So yeah, at least I can make a snowy winter card, because we don't have much snow here. Let me just grab that together. Okay, and I will have it in the same place. So the card is very similar. I use different chipboard element, but I still like it. It's beautiful snowflakes here. So I'm just going to add that under my snowflake here. Okay, let me just grab something to push it. Oh, I don't have anything. Just want to push it a little bit more under the snowflake. Okay, that's great. Well, glitter now. Glitter time. I love it. I love glitter. For the snow, I'm using the True Snow paste. I can check if I can find it online. I just love it. It's very light and it looks like snow, but you could use a light paste from Prima, works great as well. Maybe any other texture paste you have to try. And I'm just going to add it a little bit here and there. I'm just tapping the paste onto my elements. Oh, that's too much. You can always remove a little bit. It is really, really lovely and very, very snowy. And I'm going to use a little bit of clear glitter as well, just to sprinkle on my elements. I'm also adding that paste in the corners of my card. You can add whenever you want actually, and maybe a little bit on the frame as well. Just not too much, you know. Just want for my card to look like it was left in the snow for a few minutes. Oh, my jar is almost empty. I just love that paste. I need to find it online and buy another jar, but I had it for a long time, so for a few years actually. Okay, I think that will be it. I am super, super happy with the card. I do like it, so I hope you will too. It is very similar to the other one. Let me just grab some paper so I can remove the excess of the glitter, and I will show you closer. Okay, that will be it for today from me. Before I will go, I just want to thank you very, very much for coming to my channel, for leaving the comments. It's encouraging me to create more videos for you, and you can watch my other videos. You will see them on the screen, and if you like, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you will be notified when the new video is uploaded. So yeah, that will be it for today. Let me just show you the cards. Maybe maybe the first one first. So that was my first project, and today I created this one for you. If you're using my tutorials, tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan or Lady E Design. I will be able to visit you, to comment, you know, to see what you have created. And I will be saying goodbye now. Thank you very, very much. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.